The purpose of an armed forces, why we exist, is really to prepare for war. There's no sugarcoating it. That's absolutely true.
Paghahanda daw ito sa gera, sabi ng AFP. Babalang sinabing para daw ito sa China, di na nagpaligoy-ligoy pa ang AFP. Ayon sa nakalap nating impormasyon, natarantang Foreign Ministry ng China nang biglang bumaliktad ang sitwasyon. Sila na ngayon kasi dito bigla nagpapaawa, wag daw nating palalain pa ang tensyon. Ayon sa Chinese Foreign Ministry, posibleng magdulot daw ito ng pagkawasak pagka nagkabumbahan sa West Philippine Sea. Delikado daw kasi itong inaharap ng Amerika sa kanila. Pinwesto dito ang missile, tinutok pa sa West Philippine Sea.
关于非美的军事合作，中方已经多次表明了严正的立场。菲方应该清醒地认识到，破坏地区稳定，试图引入外部力量来维护所谓的自身安全。我们敦促菲方停止在海上的姿势挑衅，中方将继续采取必要措施，坚定捍卫自身的领土主权。
Pero ayon sa maritime expert Professor J. Batumbakal, mabuti nang ipinwesto dito ang Amerikang kanilang Tomahawk para alam ng China meron sila ditong missile. Magdadalawang isip kasi sila ditong pumasok, alam ng merong Tomahawk missile.
It's all right, I think, to prepare for it. Given the current geopolitical environment, okay, and concerns over China's increasing aggressiveness, it shows that in case of any contingency, there is that capability to respond to it. And I think that gives at least some assurance, that anyone attempting to destabilize the region will not have an easy time.
Correct.
There's the deterrence factor as well.
Pero babala sa China ni Rear Admiral Arman Balilo, malabong makalapit ang China sa Tomahawk kasi nga nag-deploy na ng air at water assets dito. Subukan lang talagang lumapit dyan ng China at talagang magkakagulo dito.
Sa coordination with the armed forces of the Philippines, we have directed the Coast Guard fleet to ready the floating assets at baka maging yung air assets kung kinakailangan. This will be scattered dun sa areas like sa Palawan tsaka dito sa Northern Luzon.
Pero ayon kay Colonel Lohico, di sila naniniwalang aatrasan China pag inalis natin ang missile dito ng Amerikano. Mabuti nang pakita natin sa kanilang ating paghahanda, hindi ipuputok ang mga yan basta di magkakagera dito.
We will not be firing the SM-6, bringing this weapon system by air and offloading it into a secure and established space. The purpose of an armed forces, why we exist, is really to prepare for war. There's no sugarcoating it. That's absolutely true. With or without China, let's say for example in a parallel universe, China did not exist, we would still be doing these exercises.
Ngayon, ikaw bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.